If you're suffering from hair loss, you want to stop your hair loss, and you want to also grow your hair, try this recipe. You are going to enjoy it. Hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So I did suffer from a lot of hair loss, alopecia, like my front edges was chopped off, but right now is growing. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. So today's video, we're going to be using this apple cider vinegar for today's hair rinse. It's a hair rinse treatment I'm going to be showing you guys, and how I use it. It's so good. It's going to help you to stop your hair loss and strengthen your hair. So the next thing I'm using is this green tea and mint leaf. Okay, so this is a combination. Green tea helps in stopping hair loss. Okay, I'll be taking you guys throughout the whole benefit of using this ingredient. Then the next one I'm going to be using is moringa. Okay, moringa has unique benefits to help you to grow your hair and also help you in stopping your hair loss. So we need a clean jar just like this, and I will be opening it to add my ingredient. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to cut the tea bag. All right, I want to pour it directly inside my jar. Then I'll also be adding few drops of moringa powder as well. I did not measure it, so I only eyeball it. All right, so I just added a few drops of moringa powder just to my taste and just to my liking. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add in hot water and allow this to infuse for 1 to 2 to 3 hours, because this routine, I did it on my wash day routine. This was my hair rinse. After washing your hair, you use this to rinse your hair, and you allow it to dry on your hair. You don't need to rinse it out again. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this is after the 3 hours is up. So I want to strain and show you guys how I use this on my hair. So when it has already settled, I shake it before I strain it in this strainer. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's recipe with me. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share, and leave your beautiful comment. This hair tea is so beneficial. It's just a one-time something. All right, so after this, we add in our apple cider vinegar. For the apple cider vinegar, I'm using 1 tablespoon, and I mix everything together and allow this to sit again for like another 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on how long you wash your hair. Okay, so I use this after my wash day routine. So this is me. I've already washed my hair, so I put my hair like this for like about 2 minutes. Okay, so I kept on pouring the tea on my hair, pouring the tea on my hair. If you have like a bowl, you can put the bowl on close to you and keep on doing the same thing I'm doing. So I just said to use my sink. So I kept on pouring this tea on my hair, pouring the tea on my hair. As I pour, I use my scalp massager to massage my scalp. What I felt during this time was a tingling sensation on my scalp. Okay, I felt a tingling sensation on my scalp. I feel maybe it's because of the mint leaf. All right, so I felt a tingling sensation on my scalp, and it was so good. Like if you are suffering from itchy scalp, your scalp is itchy, try this recipe. You're going to love it. Like you're going to give a relief on your scalp. Yeah, so this is what I did on my wash day routine, and it was effortless. Like I love this. I kept on dipping my hair inside, like I kept on dipping my hair inside. So I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of mint tea, green tea, and apple cider vinegar for your hair. So mint leaf, okay, helps in improving blood circulation to your hair follicles and renew new hair cells. Okay, it prevents hair loss and makes your hair stronger and has volume. So that is the benefit of using mint leaf in your hair regime. Moringa stimulates your hair. Okay, it stimulates blood circulation to your hair follicles, keeping your hair healthy and stronger. Okay, encouraging your hair to grow longer and healthier. So moringa is really amazing for hair growth. You need to give moringa a try. If you have not done that, try using moringa on your routine. You see, even I drink moringa sometimes. So after I did that on my hair, I left it overnight on my hair. I didn't rinse it out. So this is the next day. I want to hydrate my hair, like moisturize. Sorry, I want to moisturize my hair. So the first thing I'm doing is to use my okra gel to moisturize my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to be using okra gel because the treatment we did yesterday is like it dried on my hair. So I'm going to be using okra gel to moisturize my hair. The first thing I did was to use okra gel just to moisturize the hair before I go in with my leave-in condition. Yes. So the benefit of apple cider vinegar when you use it on your hair, it's balance your hair, your scalp pH. Okay, apple cider vinegar helps to restore the natural pH balance on your scalp. Okay, so and another benefit of apple cider vinegar, it removes build-up, it also treats dandruff, it also conditions your hair. So using these three combination together is really awesome for hair growth, treating of my scalp, helping me to grow my hair and helping me to balance my scalp pH. Okay, so are you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm just applying my leave-in condition. I'm been loving this this gentle touch leave-in condition. It's really light and it absorbs into the hair quicker than when you use Cantu. Cantu, you just keep on rubbing till you absorb. But this one, making you apply it on your hair, it absorbs immediately on your hair. Yeah, so I'm just applying this and massaging as I go. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know if you're going to be trying it. All right, so I do this routine on my wash day anytime I have the chance, and anytime I have apple cider vinegar in the house, I use it on my wash day routine. So I'm going to be giving you guys a full wash day routine. I hope you enjoyed that particular video as well. Thank you all so much for all the massive love. I really appreciate. So the hair oil I'm using is already in my channel. Do want to check it out. Okay, so this hair oil have been serving my hair for a very long time, so I really love it. It's packed with a lot of amazing nutrients. Yes, so after that I will fall in with my Duro Growth hair fertilizer. Okay, this particular one, I have had this for a long time and my Chamber 2000 is finished, so I have to fall back to this one. My Chamber 2000, they've not brought it. I ordered but I've not received it, so I have to fall back to this one. This one is quite good. It's very moisturizing as well. But why I like that Chamber 2000 was because of the tingling sensation I get from it each time I apply it on my hair. Okay, so that's why I love the Chamber 2000. And this one also grows hair as well. So I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp, on my hair, on my edges, everywhere, and I will take you guys to the next step. The next thing I do is to use this my hair butter. It's already in the channel. It's a herbal hair butter. Okay, so I'm using it to seal in everything on my hair. All right, so let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this routine. Are you gonna be trying this? Try this. Your hair is going to grow longer and it's going to help you to thicken your hair. If you are looking for thickness of hair, fuller hair, and you're trying to stop hair shedding, try this particular routine and you will see amazing benefits from it. Do this consistently, or they say consistency is the key, right? Yeah, so it's not that when you do it today you expect your hair to just stop shedding overnight. No, keep doing it and you will see results gradually. So I hope you enjoyed this particular one with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. Share your beautiful comment. This is my hair. We are almost like, this hair right now is not up to a month and I've already seen lots of growth on it. 29th of June is going to make this hair 1 month. I made this hair 29th of May. 29th of June is going to make this hair 1 month, but yet I'm seeing a lot of growth because of the ingredients I have been using, and also what I've been taking internally as well, because I changed my diet. I'm trying to eat healthier now, so it's also taking a whole lot of things on my hair. You can see there's a lot of growth like on my hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, what do you think about this? My scalp is shinier, my hair is healthier. This is going to secure your hair. So in case you are struggling, this recipe is for you. So love, I think I have come to the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you, all my besties, in my next video. Bye for now.